Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Express Transit in Apple Pay on Apple Watch Series 11. Express Transit lets you pay for public transportation without needing to double-click on the side button of your Apple Watch like that in order to pay. So it only works for supported public transport card readers, so don't worry. In stores you still need to confirm by double clicking so you won't pay accidentally. It only works for public transportation, so if you'd like to pay for public transport without needing to double click on the side button, you can enable Express Transit. Or if you don't like that feature, you can disable it. To do it, go to Watch app on your iPhone, then go to Apple Pay. Go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Yes. Now find Express Travel or Express Transit card. Click here and select the card that you'd like to set as one. Now your Apple Watch needs to be unlocked in order to be able to apply the change. So I'm gonna do it again. Now I'm gonna enter the passcode again once it's unlocked to confirm, and now it's updating the card, so I'll shortly be able to be able to pay with the watch for public transport without needing to double click on the side button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.